Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jaguar XE headlight bulb. First, let's prepare. You will need a new headlight bulb, which could be an H7 or D3's type, and a flathead screwdriver. Always make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before starting. Next, locate the access panel for the headlight assembly, which is typically found within the wheel arch liner or directly behind the headlight unit. Now, let's get to the bulb. To make things easier, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you are working on. This provides better access to the wheel arch. You will find a small, round access cover. Twist this cover approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove it. Once the cover is off, carefully reach in and disconnect the electrical connector attached to the back of the old headlight bulb. With the electrical connector detached, you can now remove the old bulb. Depending on your specific headlight type, you might need to unclip a metal retaining spring or twist the bulb itself about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Gently pull out the old bulb. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its housing. Almost done, secure the new bulb by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the bulb. Finally, replace the access cover by aligning it and twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it is working correctly and illuminating the road as expected. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.